Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video where we are going to be painting some jingle bells perfect for Christmas. I cannot believe it's December. Can anyone else believe it's December already? Time really flies. We're gonna start this painting by just tracing a couple of circles onto our canvas. I think this is a 7x10 canvas I picked up in a pack from Michael's, and I'm just using a normal glass to trace some circles, and then adding the little hooks on the bells, just kind of drawing those by hand. And then here I go through and add just a ribbon weaving through all of my bells. You can skip this step if you don't want a ribbon, but I'm gonna do one like a nice green velvet, perfect for Christmas. And the colors I have laid out already are white, yellow, green, and blue, and then I actually end up adding brown and black later, so if you want to put them on your palette now, go ahead and do that. And the background choice, I'm going to be doing a blue, a nice light sky blue, but you can do it whatever color you want. I actually did this painting before and I had it on a red background and I thought that was really beautiful as well, perfect for Christmas. So we're starting with our light blue background, and I'm just taking the blue, mixing it with white, and then filling in our background. For this, I am using the 3/8 flat brush from Artist Loft. I laid out a bigger brush, but I actually decided that I just wanted to use the smaller flat brush for that part. And now we're going to go through and add our gold color for the jingle bells, which is just yellow and white and nice and easy. And then for this one, I took another flat brush, but it's a bit smaller. It's a size 8. It's the flat shader brush from Dollar and Rowney. And I'm just going through and filling in those circles. So we're just laying our base down first, and then we'll build up some more layers on top of that. And then don't forget to color the little hooks for your bells. And once the hooks are done, we're going to be dipping straight into our white and then just blending that on top of our yellow. And we're just gonna blend it and start fading it into the rest of the yellow. And I'm just using the flat brush again to blend those colors together, and using my brush strokes to follow the natural curve of the bell to help blend everything together. And then also keeping my light source in mind, I'm going to be using a light source that's coming from the upper left corner, so all of my highlights will be reflective of that. And then don't forget to highlight your little hooks as well. And I go in and do that. And now we're going to be dipping into our green color, and we're just going to be going straight into the green and adding a base layer to build up on. So this is the 5 from Artist Loft. This is a round brush, and it's perfect for just getting some details and laying down a base color. And then once that base coat is down, we're going to be mixing a little bit of white in with that green to add on top and add some dimension, make it look a little bit more velvety, and then we'll go back in with the white and add highlights to our little ribbon. And here I go in and add some burnt umber brown to my palette, mix it with a little bit of yellow, and then going in with a flat shader brush, I blend the brown onto the opposite side of our highlight, and I use the same vertical strokes going from the top of the bell where the loop is to the bottom of the bell, and blend it up towards the middle just to create a little bit of a shadow and a little bit more dimension in our bells. And here we are taking the same yellow shadow color that we were using before, and we're just adding a little bit of detail line right through the middle of the bell. And I go through with a second coat because this paint can be a little bit thin, so just build up a second layer to make it look darker or as thick as you would like. Here I'm adding some black paint to our palette, and I'm just going through and adding the little slots that are in the bell, and I go through and with my small detail brush add in these little slits in each bell. And this is the final step. I had so much fun creating this painting for you all today. Please let me know in the comments down below what you want to see from me next. I have so many ideas on Christmas videos and I'm so excited to share them with you. But give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your night.